Hey guys, it's Trey the DIY Ninja and welcome to my first official vlog of 2021. I've been just doing a whole bunch of crafts, but today I thought I'd switch it up. Me and the baby are getting ready to go on a little road trip. We're gonna go to my sister's house so that I can have a little mini reunion with people I haven't really hung out with in over 10 years. Like the last time I saw everyone, we was at Evan's baby shower before he was born, and I didn't really get to really hang out because there were so many people. Anyways, now we are at my sister's house and Evan is making cornbread for us. He loves baking. He's like the cutest little sous chef. He loves helping out in the kitchen and baking and mixing and stirring. So he's having a blast with my sister as she's teaching him how to make some cornbread. So it's all blended together. Wow. Look at mommy for 1 second. Hi. What are you making, Evan? Say it louder.
Cornbread.
Yay! Now we're having a little dance party with the dogs. And my sister has a dog and I brought both my 2 dogs. So it's a whole dog party. Everyone's having a blast dancing, even her dog. So funny. Evan's like, what is going on here? He's like, I'm enjoying the party. So cornbread's done, and hey guys, so today we're gonna go see some old friends that I haven't seen since Evan's baby shower. So I put on glasses.
What about me
That's
too?
It. Yeah, you too. Hi. Hi. Are you excited to go?
Yeah, we're
see some new friends?
Yeah.
Anyways, this is my outfit for the day. I bought this sweater from Shein.
What about me again, me?
I got it in a large so that it wouldn't be cropped, but it's still cropped, so it is what it is. I have to wear my DIY Ninja. Can you see this? I can't even tell if you can see this. DIY Ninja SF shirt under, just so I wouldn't be showing belly because it is storming and raining today. So yeah, how do people vlog in the mirror? Anyways, my lashes feel funky today, but it is what it is. And then I'm also wearing let's see, can I show you? Gray leggings, purple leggings. I thought they were gray, but my sister says they are purple. But it'll do. Anyways. Yep. Hey boys. Do you need to go potty, honey bunny? Let's go pee pee, Chan Chan. It's been a long time for you. Good boy. Go pee pee. Go. Anyways. I'm trying to do a makeup check. Can't really tell what I look like. This one feels so funny to me. Like, it's just not trying to be on my eye today. I am so rusty when it comes to doing glam and makeup. Oops, I didn't even do my nails. Ooh, which I need to do. I need to do a Christmas nail look. One of you guys requested it. We'll see what I can come up with. Alright, we're ready to go. There's my finished look. So we're heading out to San Francisco. It's been so long since I've been able to go back to the city since I moved so far away, but my sister kind of lives in between. So yeah, it's super raining and storming, and there's my little cutie pie guy. He's so funny. He's like, I have an eye patch. And here's Nala. I carry her in this little baby backpack carrier because she's so tiny and she's the cutest. But yep, it is super storming. It's like the one day I have to leave my house to go somewhere. The weather is just crazy, but it's kind of a good thing because we're in a drought, so we need the water. It's just not an ideal time to be on the road. But you know, it is what it is. I barely recognize anything in the city. Everything looks so different and it's so weird. But yeah, still kind of beautiful though. So we get to my friend's house and Evan instantly bonds with one of my friend's kids. That's Lena, and this is that's not Lena, that is Rocky. Lena is the little girl that he instantly bonded with. It was the cutest thing. And Rocky is super cute. He's 14 years old. And he's a little chunky monkey, so cute. But yeah, they were so cute. They ate dinner together. They did everything together the whole night. It was the cutest thing ever. They bonded over looking out the window and looking at cars and Christmas lights. So Evan doesn't get a lot of interaction with other kids yet. So this is like his first time really like playing with someone he wasn't related to. So yeah, it was so cute to see like instant friendships and like, yeah, so sweet. Anyways, we stayed really late, probably till like 10 o'clock, and we're heading back to my sister's house. And yeah, this is what it looks like at night. I haven't been out at night in a long time, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. But yeah, we are exhausted. We made some oatmeal raisin cookies. They were bomb. Hi.
Huh?
What are you having for breakfast today?
Cookie, milk, cookie, and nuggets.
Okay. Good job. So did you have fun at Auntie P's house?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you ready to go home?
No.
No, you want to stay here?
Yeah.
Oh, but we're going to get picked up today. We're going to go home.
No.
No, you want to stay? We'll come back again next time, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You're so cute.
That does look like Grandma's Honda.
Mm-hmm. So I haven't slept in 2 days since I left my house. But we are heading home today. So it's really early. My husband's going to pick us up after he had to go to work to do something. And then he has to go back home to work from home. So it's on the way. He's going to pick me up, pick me and the baby up. And I'm wearing my Shein teddy bear hoodie. And yeah, it's super cozy and warm. But yeah, I'm so tired. I need to go home and film and edit for Vlogmas because I only had videos lined up till today. But yeah, I'm tired. Okay, bye. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!